Hi, this is Sister Granberry, and I'm going to do a quick video on inserting symbols and special characters. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Insert, and then you go over to the Symbols icon. Click on the Symbols icon, and these are things I've used recently, so they just show up here, but I'm going to click on More Symbols for your convenience, and you can see I have two tabs, Symbols and Special Characters. So I'm going to click on Symbols first, and here you have fonts that you can choose from. If you choose different fonts, you get different options. So I'm going to go down to Wingdings, which are the ones you'll probably want more than anything because they have all of the little characters in them. Once you have decided what you want, like I'll click on the hand and click on Insert, it put it actually in the document, and it is just like a font. So you can, at this point, make it bigger, change the color, make it smaller. It's just a font, so you can do all of those things with it. Now I'm going to go back to that window, click on the Insert tab, go over to Symbols, open More Symbols, and you have Special Characters. And this is if you want to do something like copyright or registered and you don't have the shortcut key, section break. There are other ways to do these things. Some of them have shortcut keys, but this is a place you can come and find the special things that you may need. So like if I click on Trademark, I'll do that one, and click on Insert and then Close. It replaced my hand because I had it selected. I'm going to go in here and make it black and get off of it so I can do something different. Go back to Insert, Symbols, More Symbols, and then you also have a place where you can create shortcut keys. So if you want to use a straight face smiley face, you can click on shortcut key and give it one. So I'm going to do Alt Control Shift S for straight face, and it says it's currently assigned, so I don't want to use that. So I'm going to take that out and I'll do Control 0. Oops. Control 0. And this says, oh, it's assigned to something, currently assigned to open or close a paragraph. So let me see what I can use. No, can't use Control 1. How about Alt 1? Alt 1 is unassigned. So I can make the shortcut key for the symbol that I've chosen, which is the straight smiley face, this one right here, Alt 1, and click on Assign. Now you see it's in the current keys. Now I'm going to close it and close this, and I'm going to do Alt 1 on my keyboard, and I got the straight smiley face. So these are just simple little things that you can add into your document with ease. Insert, Symbol, More Symbols, and you have font options, and you have special characters, and you have shortcut keys you can do. Okay, have fun as always.